Hi, it's Kylie from Painted Wing. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to paint a rainbow trout with watercolors. Here's a list of the materials I used. You don't need to use these exact colors though. Feel free to find similar colors or mix your own. And here's the reference image I used to create my painting. Once you get a sketch drawn, let's get started. The first step is to create a wet on wet wash for the base layer of the trout. I'm applying clean water to the top half of the fish. The first layer I'm adding is Sap Green. Apply this color to the top of the trout. You can use a little extra water to help spread the color if needed. Next, add yellow ochre below the green. I've watered my yellow ochre down quite a bit, so it appears very light. Now add more yellow ochre, but this time use more pigment so the color appears richer and more saturated. I'm gently dabbing the color into the wash. Let's continue building up the colors in our wash. The next color I'm using is Prussian Blue. Although any bright blue will work, add this color around the eye area. Also add some blue to the fin. The green I'm adding now has a small amount of blue mixed into it, giving it a cooler tone. Next we'll begin adding a warm, light pink to the center of the trout. The color I'm using is Rose Dore by Winsor & Newton. For now I'm adding just a light amount. Here I'm adding a saturated layer of pink. As we move towards the bottom of the fish, we'll transition into yellow ochre. Next we'll add a small touch of magenta. There's only a little of this color, but it adds a nice pop. Drag some of that magenta onto the fin. For the back fin, begin by applying clean water. Then add violet near the body and allow it to transition into sap green. Move your brush back and forth to blend the colors together. Finally, add small touches of blue. The colors will mix and create some beautiful variations. My green paint is still wet, but if yours has dried, add a little extra water before continuing. Next to the green, add blue, and then finish the tail with violet at the outer edge. At this point, you can either allow your paint to air dry or use a hair dryer to speed up the process. Now let's start painting the eye. I'm using yellow paint on dry paper and a small brown brush. For the second layer, we'll be adding details using a wet on dry technique. Add a line of blue to the mouth area, then place some yellow ochre next to it. We'll be adding lots of spots to our trout. I'm starting with yellow ochre spots. Using a small brush, I'm adding more Prussian blue details. Now add more green, creating small dots across the fish. You can layer your dots as well. Notice how some darker spots are painted over lighter ones to create depth and variation. The next spots will be painted with blue, followed by some green spots. Add more sap green spots throughout the body. Continue adding spots to your trout. I'm now mixing orange and pink spots as well. For the top fin, add thin lines using Prussian Blue. I've added extra water to my paint, so the value stays fairly light. Now I'm going back over some of those thin lines with a darker mixture of Prussian Blue. Now add more fine details to the back fin using blue. Once that layer is completely dried, we'll add a final layer of spots using either dark brown or black paint. Create spots in a variety of sizes across the body of the trout. Add a few more spots to the fins as well. I rotate my paper to make the side easier to paint. I'm adding my last few spots to the back fin, and then the painting is complete. Here are my final results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.